The seemingly unstoppable spread of COVID-19 has set the people in panic the world over. But don't panic. The ancient Indian medical system, Ayurveda, offers you some great news, gives you some very simple ideas, not only to enhance your immune system, but also to keep coronavirus away. With just three kinds of preparations which you can make in your kitchen. Number one, take a glass of drinking water and add 4 to 5 basil leaves. Boil this for about 5 minutes until it becomes 3/4 in volume. Filter the leaves. Drink this about 4 to 5 times a day. Number 2. Pour a glass of already boiled milk into the vessel. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Boil this for 3 minutes. Add a pinch of jaggery or sugar for taste if you are not a diabetic. Filter and drink once in the evening and again before going to bed. Number 3. Here you have 3 options. Get a few fresh leaves of either nelanelli or bhadramushti or amrutaballi. What you watch here is amrutaballi, and it's added to a glassful of water. Boil this for about 5 minutes and filter it. Drink this decoction twice a day. So take care, stay safe. Please subscribe and share this with those whom you care for.